Hello friends, good morning. So in this video we'll discuss about um, how to calculate the range of the market on expiry day, and if you're an option traders, basically if you're an option writer, what could be the possible range of the market, right? For a particular expiry, because Nifty and Sensex are having weekly expiries, and at what level, the gamma effect will come into play on the expiry day, and after that we can see some big moves in the market. So this is a tool which we have developed in TradingView. It's a proprietary indicator which we have developed, and this particular indicator will give you the possible range of the market. It's again not a holy grail. It gives you a fair bit of idea what could be the potential range of the market, and we have developed this on the basis of implied volatility. So what you have to do, let's suppose you want to find the range of the market for Friday, right? So as soon as the market opens around 9:15, so this was the opening tick at 9:15. The open was at 23,607. What you have to do is just open our indicator. It will have for this. So previous day's close or current day's open. Both you can enter if there is a big gap up, gap down. So on Friday there was no big gap up, gap down. So previous day's close was 23,601. So we'll put here 23,601. If there is a gap up, gap down or more than 50 points, then you have to do use the open price. Then you have to use the India VIX. So again, India VIX closed on previous day at 12.78. We'll put that value. And I want to find the range for today only. So I'll just put 1. And it will give me the range. The range for that day will be around 23,759 to 23,443. So if you are an option writer, you can sell a 23,750 call option and 23,340 put option, and whatever is the premium, keep 50% of your premium as your stop loss. And by the end of the day, and because the market remain in the range, so time value will kick in and you will start losing the premium. So, and suppose you want to find the expiry. So now the close is at 23,495. And what could be the expiry? For the next 4 trading sessions, just put 4 here and you will get the range. The range is basically between 23,181 to 23,809. So 800 call option and 23,200 put option is something which you can sell. And if you want to hedge it, then buy a 24,000 call option and 23,000 put option if you think the markets will remain volatile. And again, if the VIX is high, the premiums will be definitely very high. It will help you out in finding the ranges of the market. Similarly, I can take example of Sensex also. So Sensex, let's take the expiry. So Tuesday was the expiry of the Sensex. So Tuesday was on 25th. How it has performed there. So you can backtest it also. Now here the Sensex is open with gap up. See here. The close was 78,034. Next day it opened at 241. So we have to use the open price. Again we go here. What is the open price of Sensex? 78,224. 78,224. And VIX on 25th. Let's quickly go and find out. 25th. Go to daily chart. 25th the VIX was at 13.7. So again I go here. Put value at 13.7. And I want to find the range for that particular day, just 1. Click OK, and you got the range. See here. So even market open gap up, we had a big rally, big fall, and all that stuff, but it was not able to breach the range 78,785 to 77,663. So this is how you can use this, and it can be applied on both weekly, monthly, daily expiries. If you're an option writer, then every day you can find the range, and if you are trading in Bank Nifty monthly, then monthly you can put number of trading days and you can get the values. So yeah, that's about it. And this indicator is available on our website, Brahmis Tech Analysis. Just go to GAN and Astro indicators, and these indicators will be available, and you can buy it for a cost, which is mentioned in that. Again, this will help you out in finding the ranges of the market. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay disciplined.